Hello everybody and welcome back to May May's Happy Table. I'm May May's daughter Brittany again, back with another healthy smoothie video. If you've been watching my mom's juicing videos, then you know she's been talking about how much I like smoothies, how much I like to make smoothies. So I'm here today to bring y'all some of my smoothie recipes. Today I'm going to be making a mixed berry smoothie. With everything that's going on with this virus that's going around, you know, whatever we can do to try to boost our immune system and try to keep us healthy as possible is what we need to be doing. So we want to be eating and drinking things that'll give us a lot of vitamins and a lot of nutrients and a lot of antioxidants. So today I will be putting in this smoothie some mixed berries. This is a bag of mixed berries. This is strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. I will also be adding into this some vanilla yogurt. This is just standard vanilla yogurt. Just standard vanilla yogurt. This is not Greek yogurt like I typically use. But you know, if you like Greek yogurt, I like Greek yogurt personally. Use whatever type of yogurt you like. But this is some whole milk vanilla yogurt. We have some sweet dark cherries. Sweet dark cherries are full of antioxidants, full of immune boosting nutrients. So this is a very good fruit to have for your smoothies. And here I have some ground flaxseed. Flaxseed is a good boost to your smoothies, for full of protein. You don't have to get it ground. You can buy them whole, but the thing about flaxseed is that they have to be ground up in order for you to get any type of nutritional value from them. Whole, they are pretty much inevitable. Your body won't absorb it. So you can buy it ground or you can buy it whole and grind it up yourself. So this is some ground flaxseed organic. And just in this cup right here I have some water that I'll be using to thin out the smoothie if I need to. And to get started, I already have the mixed fruit and the cherries in this bowl here. Now these are frozen. I always put frozen fruit in my smoothies versus using ice, because I personally think the ice dilutes it, waters it down too much if you put too much ice in it. So I just use frozen fruit, but feel free to use any fresh fruit or vegetables that you choose. I'm going to be using today the smoothie maker. This is a smoothie maker I've had since I was a teenager. It's an older machine because I haven't been a teenager in a very long time. It's called the Smoothie Elite. I'm not sure if they still make these or not, but you can use any blender that you like at home. I use my Magic Bullet, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna add some water to the blender or to the smoothie maker. I'm gonna add just a little bit now, and then I'll add more if necessary to thin it out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start adding my fruit. Tell me some things that y'all have been doing to try to stay healthy during this pandemic that we're dealing with. I know some people they like elderberry syrup. I've never personally had it, but they say it's a lot of good nutritional immune system boosting properties to elderberry syrup. There's this like orange vape juice type thing that's been going around on social media. I don't know if y'all have seen that, where people have been mixing oranges, onions, and there's something else in it that's supposed to help boost your immune system, and you boil it on top of the stove and then you inhale the vapor from it. I'm not sure what that's supposed to do, but that's supposed to be a good way to help boost your immune system. If you've tried it, let me know, and let me know exactly what it is, or if you've seen it and know exactly what goes into it. Leave a comment below and let us know exactly what it is, because I personally want no parts of whatever this is going around, this virus going around. I want to stay as healthy as possible. So I may give it a try. Next, I am going to add the yogurt. Actually, next I'm going to add the flaxseed. Okay, and here I have just 1/4 of a cup of ground flaxseed. I'm just going to dump it over in here. Oops. Put that in. And last but not least, I'm going to add the yogurt. Again, I typically use Greek yogurt to add that extra protein boost to the smoothies, but you can use whatever type of yogurt you like. Greek yogurt is a bit tangy, so a lot of people don't like it. This is vanilla. If you like another flavor of yogurt, feel free to use that as well. I'm not sure how much that is. I'm kind of eyeballing all of this. You kind of add to it to however much you would like to add to it, to depending on how much you are drinking. Now, I'm here with my parents, so it'd be the 3 of us drinking these. Well, me and my mother. I don't know about my daddy. My daddy tends not to like stuff like this, but we may make him drink it anyway, just to give him an immune boost himself. But so I'm making more than I would make like if I'm just making a smoothie before work. So to get started, I'm gonna pulse it just to try to break up some of this cold frozen fruit we have down here at the bottom. If it was ice at the bottom, you would do the same thing to try to crush it up. This smoothie machine has some settings on it. It has pulse, mix, and smooth. After you get it pulsed up a bit, then I'm going to put it on mix. Cut it off for a second so I can check the consistency.
That looks good, Brittany.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to try some since you and May said it's supposed to be good for you.
Good, you need to.
I need my immune system boosted as well as you all do, I guess. So I'm definitely going to try.
I guess.
If you take this glass right here, you can put me a little bit in there whenever you get it ready.
Okay. See, look at y'all. Y'all encouraging my dad to try something different. He's so stuck in his ways when it comes to food and drink, so I'm excited, and he gonna like it, and then he's gonna be asking me to make them every time I come, and I'm telling him to teach himself to watch this video and make it himself, while it's just him and mama here, not me. So the consistency of it looks pretty good. The smoothie maker also comes with this stirrer here, in case y'all were wondering what this is. So, but it needs to be mixed a little bit more, so I'm gonna cut it on mix for a little while longer, cut it off the mix, and then I'm gonna cut it on the smooth setting, which is to smooth everything together so you have a good blended smoothie. You don't have any chunks in there, no piece of cherry, no piece of blueberry. It's all one cohesive mixture. I'm about to cut it on smooth. pretty good. One thing I will say, especially with the smoothie like this, because I'm using cherries and blackberries and blueberries and strawberries, fruit that are known to be kind of tart. That's another reason to use a flavored yogurt if you are not lactose intolerant. Even if you are lactose intolerant, they have so many non-dairy yogurts, flavored yogurts that you can use. It's one reason I like to use the flavored yogurt, to add a bit of sweetness to it, because sometimes you may get fruit that is not very sweet. You know, fruit is kind of hit or miss in terms of sweetness. Or like today we're using fruit that tend to be a little tartar. That flavored yogurt really helps boost the sweetness. Or if you do get some that are very tart, you can always add a sweetener to it of your choice. I have done that many times in the past. I've never used like granulated white sugar, but I have used like monk fruit sweetener, stevia, Splenda, stuff like that to sweeten it up. And this is the finished product of our mixed berry smoothie here. And I'm gonna give my dad the first glass of it, since he wants to be adventurous today. I'm gonna make sure he drinks the whole thing. Make sure he gets all these immune boosting antioxidants that's going to be in this smoothie. Keep him around for a long time, him and May both. And I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but this is the finished product. It looks very, very good. If you like this video, be sure to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to my mother's channel if you have not already. Leave us a comment below of smoothie recipes that you like, and let us know if you try this, or if you add any other type of ingredients to your smoothies. Another thing, while I'm thinking about it, that you could add if you want to boost sweetness is honey. I've also done that before if you want to keep it natural and not add any type of refined sugars. Honey is a good sweetener alternative as well. Again, I am Brittany, and thank you for watching my mother's channel, and we will see you next time. Bye.